New way to make breakfast. It is so delicious that I make it almost every day. For this recipe, we're going to add 2 eggs in a container. Put a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of black pepper, and we will hit it very well with the fork. And guys, this recipe looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Now I'm going to be separating the crumb from the bread here. And with the rolling pin, I'm going to be spreading it out like this and then putting in for sausages like this. In a frying pan, add a spoonful of butter, a drizzle of olive oil. Let's wait for it to melt. And now put the sausage in our omelette. And then just add our skillet. Okay, it fried on one side. I'm going to turn it to fry on the other side and then on the other side. Now just withdraw. In another container, add 2 eggs. Season with a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of black pepper, and we're going to hit it really well. Guys, you're already commenting on what you think of this recipe. Now I'm going to cut a chive and add it, also cut a sausage into cubes like this. And I will mix again. In a skillet, add a spoonful of butter. Put a drizzle of olive oil. And stir very well until dissolved. Then just add the bread. And add our omelette, like this. Add mozzarella cheese on top. Cover and let cook for about 2 minutes. That's it, you've already cooked one side, you've already fried one side, now just turn it over, cover it and let it fry for another 2 minutes. And just take it out. And our breakfast was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure you all will love it. So if you liked it, already share it and see you next time.